Dear students, up till now we have discussed that cells, they use RNA to make proteins in two basic steps, that is transcription and translation. Also we know that certain nucleotides, they code for a particular protein structure. The genes, they have instructions for making the proteins. Now we will discuss different types of RNA, because RNA is playing a very important role in the synthesis of protein. So let us discuss the types of RNA. So there are three types of RNA on the basis of the functions they perform. The first one is ribosomal RNA. The second one is the transfer RNA. The third one is messenger RNA. Shortly you can write it as rRNA, tRNA and mRNA. First of all, let us talk about the ribosomal RNA. It is present in ribosomes and they are basically site for polypeptide synthesis. Means ribosomal RNA is the site where protein is synthesized. The next is transfer RNA or tRNA. These are very important because ribosomes, they receive instructions from messenger RNA about making the protein. Then ribosomes, they instruct the transfer RNA, or they send signal to transfer RNA. They then move to the cytoplasm and then they collect the amino acids according to the whole recipe of that protein. They collect the ingredients, or you can say the amino acids. Then they take the amino acids to the ribosomes, to the growing polypeptide chain, and also they position the amino acids correctly according to the instructions that are received from the DNA. Let me tell you that there are about 45 different types of transfer RNA. So transfer RNA, they are carrying the amino acids from the cytoplasm to the growing polypeptide chain, and then they position the particular amino acid according to the instructions in the correct way, so that there is no defect in the newly synthesized protein. Now let us talk about the messenger RNA or mRNA. I have already talked about it, that this is a copy of the DNA. The messenger RNA is a copy of DNA. It means that it has information from DNA. It contains the instructions from DNA. The DNA transfers the whole information about synthesis of protein to messenger RNA. It is a copy of that gene. Then it transfers info to ribosomes. Now it tells ribosomes that I have received this message from, or I have brought this message from DNA that you have to synthesize particular protein. For example, DNA has instructed to make insulin. Now what will happen? Messenger RNA will tell ribosomes that you have to synthesize insulin, and ribosomes will instruct transfer RNA to collect the amino acids of insulin and then assemble these in the form of two chains, alpha and beta chains, and ultimately these chains combine together to give the structure of proteins. So this is all about the types of RNA and their roles and their functions. In the next video we will discuss the very important phenomena of transcription and translation. I hope this lecture is clear to all of you. Please keep watching office.com.pk. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for your time. Allah Hafiz.